Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can tell by the title, we are doing a review on the NYX Double Stacked Mascara and Fiber product. So I ran across this when I was in Nordstrom Rack the other day, and I've been meaning to try this and I wanted to review this for you guys. Basically, it's a mascara and it also comes along with a tube of nylon fibers. So this is supposed to make your lashes look like falsies, allegedly. That's what it says on the box in the back. So if you just layer on the fibers, mascara fibers, fibers or mascara fibers, then you will achieve a falsie look that you will love. So I'm gonna do this review for you guys. Oh, also, this cost me $12.99 at Nordstrom Rack. I believe it was $12.99 or $11.99 at Nordstrom Rack. So it's a pretty good steal for two products in one. But before we get started, remember to give me a thumbs up if you guys like videos like this. And also remember to subscribe. And let's go ahead and get into it. I am going to read the instructions on the back. There is one double stacked NYX mascara base and top coat. And then there is nylon lash fibers, which is the white tube right here. And I want to read the instructions to make sure we're doing this correctly, because I don't want to mess this up and not have the correct results that we want. This is what it looks like. These are the tubes right here. Leave that there. So it says, lashes on lashes on lashes. Pile on the volume and lengthen the look of your lashes beyond belief with our incredible new fiber mascara. Simply coat, add fiber, and coat again with this ultra volumizing formula to create a luscious, thick from every angle fringe as striking as the boldest falsies. For realsies. Oh my god, this is so corny. So it looks like in the first picture you add the mascara, which is this one, and then on the second picture you add the fiber, and then the third picture you add the mascara again, and voila, it says. Voila. I'm just reading on the back of this so then we know what we're working with and to make sure I do this correctly. So, and that's all it says. I guess we can go ahead and get started. I don't know if this is safe for us to get this in our eyes with these nylon fibers. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started. I'm really excited to use this and show you guys what it looks like and also how it will turn out. So what I'm going to do first is curl my lashes because they are stick straight and I'm not blessed with curly lashes. So let's go ahead and curl this. Curl them high to the sky, to the gods. For my left eye, I use this NYX product. And for my right eye, I'm just going to use my regular waterproof mascara. What I'm going to do first is place on this NYX mascara, which is number one, double NYX stacked mascara base and coat. So let's go ahead and add this first. So I'm also thinking I shouldn't let this dry because if I let it dry, then the fibers would not cling on to the mascara. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this number two, double NYX stacked nylon lash fibers. So now we're gonna take the lash fibers. This is what it looks like a bunch of little fibers. So I definitely don't wanna get this in my eyes. I'm gonna be really careful. Let me see if you guys can see. Can you guys see from there? So I'm gonna close my eyes just a little bit because I don't want the fibers to get in there. So I don't think that would be a good idea. Can you guys see the little fibers that are flying around? So that's as much that would cling on to my lashes. I'm gonna leave that on there for a second. So while we just let that kind of dry, I guess, on my right eye I'm going to use Maybelline the xoxo Big Shot mascara in waterproof. And I prefer waterproof because it keeps my lashes curled. So I'm gonna do one layer of this first, so then you guys can see what it looks like compared to the left eye. Here we are with the double stacked mascara. This is what it looks like. Now I'm going to add some fibers on the lower lashes as well, so then you guys can be able to see what this looks like on the lower lashes. So right now we are at, on the left eye, I just placed some mascara on the lower, and then some fiber, and then mascara again, same as the top. So this is one whole set that I just did, and I don't know if you guys can tell the difference, but this side is just a little bit thicker compared to the one layer of waterproof mascara that I placed on this eyeball. What do you guys think so far? So I'm gonna go ahead and put on another layer of fiber and then also another layer of the waterproof mascara. So here we have it, another layer of fiber lashes and the mascara, and then also another layer of the waterproof mascara. So I naturally have long straight lashes, so because I used regular mascara, because this one is definitely not waterproof, regular mascara on this eye, it's not going to hold my lashes up as much compared to the waterproof, because the waterproof mascara has wax in it. So that's why this eye is more lifted right now, and it looks a little better than the NYX fiber eye. But I'm thinking next time maybe I can put one layer of the waterproof mascara first on this eye, and then go in with all of the layers of the fibers and the mascara. But right now it looks honestly about the same compared to the waterproof eye. It's just not curled. So let's go ahead and try one more layer of the fibers and mascara on this eye, and then one more layer of the waterproof on this eye. Alright, so this is the final look. This is the third layer of fibers and mascara, and this is also the third layer of the waterproof mascara. What do you guys think? So from what it looks like, of course the waterproof mascara is going to keep my lashes up more, but you can also see that this gave as much fiber and thickness. As you can see, this one gave the same amount of thickness and layering as the waterproof mascara, but if you guys can see really closely, that you can see the bottom lashes has more fibers. I think I did a little bit too much on this eye with the fibers, but I do see the really small fibers, and it did give my lashes a more thickness compared to this eye right here. It looks like there's like little branches coming off of these lashes, which is pretty cool. I think next time I'll just use the fibers along with the waterproof mascara, and that way just add more thickness to my lashes, and also have them curled compared to this flop side right here, which I knew that was gonna happen, but I wanted to see if it had any would hold up. I really wanted to see if the waterproof, I really wanted to see if the NYX mascara would hold up compared to the waterproof, but it is what it is. Overall for this video, I do like the fibers and the look that it gives you when you use the fibers. I just wouldn't use the same mascara that it came with in this box right here. I would probably use my waterproof mascara along with the fibers, because it does give your lashes a thickness that looks real. But as for the mascara, I think it's okay. I wouldn't use the actual mascara. Would I repurchase this? Who knows? I'll have to give it a try with the waterproof mascara before I can determine if I would use this again. But for the price, I think it's like worth a try. If your lashes stay up, curled, and using just regular mascara, I think you guys would really like this. But if you have lashes like mine and they don't stay up if you're using regular mascara, this is probably not the best option. But I do want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like videos like this, remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.